Install the POS machine on the POS machine holder. Insert the antenna and single cable. Tighten all the screws. If you install the MDB device yourself, connect the MDB cable to any ports except for the COM1. The COM1 is connected to the screen already. Here we connect the MDB cable to COM2. The power cable of the MDB device connector cable we prepare for you. This cable connects to the machine's power. The black cable connects to the minus voltage. The red cable connects to the plus voltage. We have made a mark on the cable. At last, connect an AX cable to the MDB cable. Log into the backend. Since we connect COM2, we select Dev, ties to, save it. Click Debug. Click Init COM port, Init card open pass in sequence. When seeing the above OK, that is completed, and you can click Exit. Setup complete.